So you are thinking about moving to Toronto, and in today's video we're going to be touring this beautiful home that's on sale right now. So let's get started. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything about moving and living in Toronto, then you're going to want to hit that subscribe button, tap that bell notification so that you can be notified every time I update everything that's going on in Toronto. My name is Amanda Zarito, and we get calls and emails daily from people just like you who are looking to make that move to Toronto, and we absolutely love it. So whether you are looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, you're going to want to click the link down below in the description, fill out our call form so that we can help you set up a call and help you make that smooth move to Toronto. This beautiful home is going for just over $1.3 million. It has 4+1 bedrooms and 4 washrooms. So let's go take a look inside. Now that you've seen the inside of this house, let's go check out the neighborhood highlights of this beautiful home so you could see what the neighborhood looks like. So just 1 minute away, it's literally walking distance. You have so many beautiful parks. This is just one of them right here, which is the West Hill Park. If you didn't already know, we are in Scarborough, and this is the West Hill neighborhood of Scarborough. So let's take a look at the park. You are just minutes away from Kingston Square West, which has a whole bunch of different dining options, shops, and also some services. Here is just a few, also the grocery store right here. So it's very convenient and beside so many things, which is definitely necessary. And when it comes to schools in this neighborhood, you have so many options, whether that is elementary schools, high schools, colleges, and universities. So currently we're in front of the UFT Scarborough campus. UFT is one of the top rated schools, universities of all of Canada, and we're at the Scarborough location. There are different campuses all scattered throughout the city. This is the Scarborough location right here. We hope you enjoyed today's video of today's house tour as well as little mini neighborhood tour. If you are interested on this house that is for sale right now, then definitely give us a call. All of our information is in the description box down below. Fill out our call form and then we can set up a call and chat and help you make that smooth move to Toronto. If you guys want to see more neighborhood videos or more videos from this channel, then you're definitely going to want to watch this one next. And until next time, see you around the city and God bless.